Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video we'll learn how to add fingerprint in Infinix Hot 11 smartphone. First of all, you need to open settings, then click security, then click fingerprint, then you need to enter your pattern password, so I will enter that, and click add fingerprint, then click next. You need to touch the fingerprint and lift up. Now the fingerprint scanned successfully. You can click finish. Now I lock the phone and then I press my fingerprint. It will automatically open. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up and to subscribe our channel for more updates. Thank you.